Alright, what's up everybody? Bigfoot Videos here. My water heater pilot light went out. So I think this temperature sensor is extra sensitive right here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, right there, that white little thing with these two wires coming out. So that little white thing in the middle of these two wires, it like pops out when it senses that the temperature in the water heater's too hot. You push it in, you might be able to hear the click when it goes in. And you can feel it go in. So after you do that, maybe turn your hot water heater, mine's gas, turn it down a notch. And if it keeps tripping, then the switch is probably bad or something like that. So I'll keep you posted. I'm gonna fire up the pilot light again. Bye.